Hi, I'm Varun from Adcom and we are into lighting. We provide all kind of lighting services from design to supply. So basically we can cover all kind of lighting. Within architectural lighting, we have decorative, designer and special lighting which is required for specific purposes. Technical lighting is where you can light up indoors basically. And for outdoors also we have a complete range. It's called a magnetic track. What basically you can do is you can install this track in your ceiling and wall and you can put it into any direction. And then you can add lights as you desire and remove them whenever you want. This is a laser blade, which is tiltable also, movable laser blade. Can be used to highlight something that you want on the wall, or it can be used as a spotlight. So the tracks can vary from in length. They are 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter. So this is a freestanding profile, which can be any length, ceiling to floor and wall to wall, any length. This can be customized. And like here we have, this is a 10-foot length, that's a 13-foot length which is running here. But what you can do is you can have a RGB light behind it and that's changing colors separately. You can have a party light and a regular light in the same fixture. Yeah, these are some wall lights for outdoor. These are waterproof or non-waterproof, however you want it. So you will not ever need polishing, no maintenance, nothing. Just take them out, clean them and they'll be as good as new. Like this is a special product too, where you install in the ceiling and you can point where the light should go. You can move the light inside the fixture. Yes, all color temperatures are available, ranging from 3000 to 6000 K. Yeah. This can be over a bar counter. You can even put your glasses here. This can be over a kitchen counter, dining table, anything. What's special in this product is that you can retract and retrace the light wherever you want, however you want it. It can be pulled down to this level. And when you do this, you can turn off the light with a slide of your hand, like that. You can also change color and you can control the intensity. These are all general products for office lighting. What we can do with these is we can make whatever shapes as per the requirement of the project. Say this is a rectangle, you need a triangle, you need circles. See, from market products, these products are slightly different because we offer more value in the product. Like what you saw is you can add different modules to the same product. It's modular, and it's also anti-glare, which is what we like to promote in our products. That it will not hurt your eyes. When you use the light, it will be easy to live in that room when you have these lights on. So with Vishkarma, we look forward to put our product out to more people and a larger audience, specifically architects and interior designers.
If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and head to vishkarma.com for even more construction materials and products.